So you think John's gonna hurt himself?
I think we may be going up A&E tonight.
Hey, these, Mike, what about these marks you guys made?
That's where you gotta, the plate is where you gotta.
No, I know,
Grind
that's why
off.
I gotta grind it, but what I'm saying is you're not worried about those marks anymore, right?
No, as long as you know where they're at.
Okay.
He's got a big wire wheel cup on a die grinder, angle
we're
grinder.
trying to do some technical work here, and he's in the background making a lot of noise.
Alright, well, it has been another week since our last little moment ago, but we had our 3D printed bracket. Where'd the gray one go? Is it still on the alternator?
I chucked that away.
Oh, okay.
You broke it.
Oh, I did. Oh, John did. He tightened that up, and he wasn't watching it.
Yeah.
So
Guilty.
8.2, and then from here to here,
that should be Cleveland, height of 9.2.
9.2. There's your inch. So obviously that's no good. So as we've just got into 3D printing, we came up with our own little design. This worked. This all needed to be taken out to 8.5, 8.5, 10. This one was 12. It was okay.
Talking on metric numbers here.
Yeah. Well, you're in England, mate, so, you know, get used to it. That was then given to a mate of mine. So we ended up with this piece.
Thanks, Josh.
And he smoothed it out because of the machine that it was going on.
Mm-hmm.
And it needed
Well, it had like
tied in a little bit, yeah.
a little weird crook here.
That was my go. And obviously Josh has like made it look...
Yeah, just a smoother arc. And...
Yeah.
Oh, you haven't shown the piece de resistance yet, though.
The piece de resistance. Oh, yes. Yes. So, as John keeps calling it this, we're not allowed to say it, but...
That is what it is.
Well, I can get a look at that.
So, we know it's on there.
So I can still see it. I don't know how we'll be able to see when the belt's on there, but
Yeah.
you'll have to get a little longer belt. That don't fit anymore, even on its shortest setting. You got some more fuel fittings?
Yeah, they're in the box.
Okay, doke. We'll play with those, and he's gonna keep working on that roll bar.
Does look smart though, doesn't it?
Oh yeah.
Hey? It looks really good on here, John.
I think it does too, and I don't even know what it looks like.
He's stuck under the car still.
Alrighty. Fuel fittings. Alright. Or tight garage.
Yeah, it sucks.
So
What's going on here?
the ends are all prepped. John should have been under here grinding on the body.
And just so everybody's aware, we're only letting John doing the welding because it's not going to produce that much power that it needs Mike to do the welding.
I thought you were going to say because it's such a tight quarters that it requires a small person.
Well, if you mess it up, nobody's gonna see it.
There's that too. You guys are full of jokes. Hardy her.
I mean, he's adding weight to the car with parts that are not going to help him.
My name
What
is
was that? Sorry, I didn't hear that.
Oh, do you have the gloves, the welding gloves too?
Yeah, I've got those.
The car may not make enough power to need this, but the welder makes enough power to burn my hands. So,
So the bracket, we had to figure out and look at videos. Where the holes are, they're offset to the top end to keep this close to the body. So the exhaust has more room to go underneath the bar and over the axle.
yeah.
So, well, let's get it in place.
Okay.
Well, I mean, I did have a look under the end, and I can tell which was Mike's welds and which were yours.
I went over all of it.
There's no reason to rub it in, Mike.
Oh boy, it's so dark under here. But she's installed. We do a lot of grinding. Those welds are not pretty, especially over there. Welding upside down is not fun, especially with the level of undercoating. And they didn't have one of the reverse thread nuts, which is going to be hard to get. It had 3 of the regular ones, and only 1 of the reverse thread. So the other reverse thread one's on the other side.
No, that's not a problem, Mike. I'll 3D print one.
Oh yeah.
All right. Let's make sure we zoom in on all the crap.
Yeah, it's just detritus everywhere. It's the winter. We're stuck inside.
Well, I thought John would have tidied it up a little bit.
Yeah.
You know.
Nope.
No.
But we got some more fuel lines done,
Fuel line.
Waddle to the back here.
I've got injuries to prove it.
Oh,
I do too.
oh, the little pricklies in your fingers from
We both had bleeders.
the braided stainless. So coming back to the Y, but we got to get a 90 because the straight one is going to be too big of a loop.
It's only $50.
That's what I said at the beginning of the year.
And we want to
Take.
take,
To give you credit for it. But...
I don't know, it was about, take 4 inches out of this hose just so it wraps around a little nicer.
Actual 4 inches, or what I saw it call as 4 inches.
Well, from that line to that line.
Oh, that's 8 inches for me.
Okay.
As I said before, not in the middle, John.
Right. Yeah. We'll cut it on.
Yeah.
Oh, we didn't tighten that. The return line's in there
Yeah,
though.
none of it's been tightened up.
But we need the 90 to go from the tank pressure to the Y. That's it. Just one fitting. Remove that much and cinch them down, and that's your fuel system.
It almost looks like it's ready to go.
And the modifications to the thermostat housing. We have the proper O-ring -10 fittings coming out of the heads now. And all we got to do is cut the hoses to fit that. But we still have to have provisions for the sensors. So what we're going to do in this location here, we're going to cut a hole and we're going to weld in an aluminum bung for the dash temperature gauge.
He said bung.
And then on the back, we're going to make a little standpipe to come off. And we're going to fit another one of these fittings coming out the back to go to the heater core. And then the other line from the heater core will come back to this one. Because this one's got to get looped and go into here or here.
That's the basically going back.
Yeah, this is the bypass. So 90 here. What is this? Just hanging out?
Just a spare bit.
There you go. Do something with that.
Why don't you throw it in the water too?
So a lot of work's got to get done here. And well, this alternator looks good.
I mean, look at that. I mean, what a bit of engineering. I impressed myself.
That's pretty cool.
So,
That is pretty neat.
So a couple things done. We're getting there. At least we're done with the welding part. Clear out the garage a little bit more and continue on with things. But I got to take this home and try not to turn it into a molten puddle of goo with my TIG welder. Anyway, sorry for the long time for no video, but progress is slow, and I don't just crank out videos just to put them out. So thanks for sticking around. Talk to you guys soon, and take care. Bye-bye.
Foxy abroad.